Hello children, you're most welcome to the another video of MSc of your class 5th. Today we will start lesson number 2. Children, in last video I taught you about value of justice. We should understand the value of justice and we should treat everyone equally. Today we are going to learn the story related to the value of justice, and the name of story is The Serval and the Tortoise. Children, this story will be completed in 2 videos because it is not possible to complete whole story in one video. So first of all, I'll read this. Then I'll explain in English as well as in Hindi. Long ago, a tortoise was slowly crawling home when he met a serval on his path. "Hello, tortoise, my dear old friend," said serval heartily. "How are you?" "I'm fine, thank you," said the tortoise. "Have you found much to eat today?" Serval asked the tortoise. "No," replied tortoise sadly. "I have not found anything at all today." It means a long time ago, a tortoise was slowly going toward his house. Only then he found a serval on the way. Children, serval is an African wild cat with long legs, large ears and a black spotted orange-brown coat. Serval asked the tortoise, "How are you, my friend?" Tortoise replied, "I'm fine, thank you." Then serval asked the tortoise that you have got something to eat today. Then tortoise replied sadly, "I have not found anything to eat today." बहुत समय पहले एक कछुआ धीरे धीरे अपने घर की तरफ रेंग रहा था। तभी उसे रास्ते में सरवल मिला। सरवल ने कछुए से कहा, "हेलो कछुए, मेरे पुराने दोस्त, तुम कैसे हो?" कछुए ने कहा, "मैं ठीक हूँ।" सरवल कछुए से कहता है कि क्या आपने आज खाने के लिए बहुत कुछ पाया है? आज तुम्हें कुछ मिला है खाने में? कछुए ने उदास होकर जवाब दिया, "नहीं, मुझे आज कुछ भी नहीं मिला." सरवल was very cunning. He had a trick up his sleeve. He knew poor tortoise was a trusting fellow. He took advantage of that fact and decided to have some fun on behalf of the tortoise. "Oh, I feel so sorry for you. Why don't you come to my house? I will go home quickly and keep some dinner ready for you while you can come slowly at your own pace. I promise dinner will be ready by the time you reach there. But don't be very late," Serval said cunningly. Simple tortoise gratefully accepted the invitation. Serval turned around and gaily bounced along the uphill track that led to his home. The tortoise followed as fast as he could, but he was slow, very slow, especially when he had to go uphill. Though he was tired, the thought of a lovely hot meal kept him going. When the tortoise eventually reached Serval's house, he teased him, "What took you so long? It's been ages since I reached home." "I'm sorry," replied the tortoise as he regained his breath, "but surely you have had enough time to get the meal ready, so please serve me. I can't wait." It means Serval was very clever and made a plan to make fun of the tortoise. Serval calls the tortoise at his house to eat and tells him, I will keep dinner ready till you come slowly at your pace. The tortoise was trying its best to reach Serval's house as soon as possible. He was very tired, but at the thought of eating, he was trying to walk quickly. As soon as the turtle reached Serval's house, he teased him and asked, Why are you so late? The tortoise apologized to Serval and asked him to serve food. सरवल बहुत चालाक था। उसने एक चाल चली। वह जानता था कि कछुआ एक भरोसेमंद साथी है। सरवल ने उसके भरोसे का फ़ायदा उठाया और कछुए का एक मजाक बनाने का फ़ैसला किया। सरवल कछुए से कहता है कि उसे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है क्योंकि उसे कुछ भी खाने को नहीं मिला, और वह उससे कहता है, तुम मेरे घर क्यों नहीं आते? मैं जल्दी से घर जाऊंगा और कुछ रात का खाना आपके लिए तैयार रखूंगा। जब तक आप अपनी धीरे धीरे गति से पहुंचते हो, मैं खाना तैयार रखूंगा। तुम देर मत करना, जल्दी आना। कछुए ने भी खुश होकर उसका निमंत्रण स्वीकार कर लिया। सरवल खुश होकर जल्दी से अपने घर की ओर चला गया और कछुआ भी उतनी ही तेज़ी से आगे बढ़ा, लेकिन वह बहुत धीमा था, खासकर तब जब उसे एक चढ़ाई पर जाना था। वह बहुत थक गया था, लेकिन खाने के बारे में सोचकर वह आगे बढ़ता रहा। जब कछुआ सरवल के घर पहुंचा तो वह उसे चिढ़ाने लगा कि तुम्हें इतना लंबा समय क्यों लगा। कछुआ सरवल से माफ़ी मांगता है देर से आने के लिए और उसे खाना परोसने को कहता है। Oh, yes indeed, replied Serval, chuckling. There is your meal. He pointed up to the branches of a tree near his house. Poor tortoise could only look wistfully at the distant meal well out of his reach. He understood that Serval had tricked him. Very well, my friend, said the tortoise calmly and began his long and arduous walk back home. Tortoise could hear Serval laughing at his trick in the background. Tortoise may have been slow, but he was no fool. He started planning his revenge. It means Serval was very clever. He gave the tortoise its food pointing to the tree branch. Serval knew that the tortoise could not climb the tree, so he pointed to the tree to eat it. The poor tortoise just kept looking at his food and understand that Serval had done tricks with him. You did very well, my friend, saying that he went quietly from there to his house. While returning, he could hear Serval laughing from behind. The tortoise was not stupid. He also has a plan to take revenge on Serval. सरवल चालाकी से उसको अपने घर के पास एक पेड़ की शाखाओं की ओर इशारा करके बताता है कि उसका खाना वहाँ है। गरीब कछुआ अपनी पहुँच से बाहर केवल दूर रखे भोजन को ध्यान से देख रहा था। वह समझ गया था कि सरवल ने उसके साथ धोखा व छल किया है। कछुए ने बहुत शांति से कहा, बहुत अच्छा है मेरे दोस्त, और वह अपने घर की ओर वापस आ गया। जैसे वो घर की ओर मुड़ा, उसके पीछे से सरवल की हंसने की आवाज़ उसे सुनाई दे रही थी। कछुआ धीमा था, लेकिन वह मूर्ख नहीं था। उसने भी सरवल से बदला लेने के लिए एक योजना बनाई। So children, this is enough for today. Rest of your story will be continued in next video. Thank you.